This fresh roast coffee system is revolutionary. I'm Narcy David to say that this new roaster they've just put in at Draeger's Markets, well, it kind of starts out looking like R2-D2 that sort of grew up. It's this unusual looking stainless steel device that looks very futuristic, and out of it comes the most extraordinary coffee. They're roasting the coffee fresh right there in the market, and there's no smoke, there's no chimney. It has a device that filters out the smoke and delivers cleaner air back into the room than the air that went into it. It's really something. Everything is computer programmed by the master roaster so that a particular roast will always come out the same. Once the master roaster has designed it, it can be replicated, and they're putting these things in all over the country. So if you see a system called Fresh Roast, I think the future has arrived, and they're doing an amazing job with coffee.
5 years ago, we set out to create the world's first fully automated ventless coffee roasting system. Proud to say that we've done that. The system basically removes the obstacles that have traditionally kept people from roasting at multiple retail locations. The machine is as simple to operate as an ATM machine. If you can get money out of an ATM machine, you can operate this roaster.
I've been in this roasting business for 35 years, and until now, there's never really been a true way for the consumer to get absolutely fresh coffee at the grocery store.
Fresh Roast has helped us differentiate ourselves in quality and service. It's been nothing but a success. We've gone from roasting 70 pounds of coffee a week to 500 pounds of coffee a week. We're providing coffee for all three of our markets, and we're very, very happy with the support from the company.
For people who love to cook and people who love food, Draeger's is a fantasy land come true. We have the tabletop, we've got the tools, we have the cookbooks, we have our culinary centers, and that's why we have Fresh Roast System. We roast beans every day. We can roast beans custom to order. This is what Draeger's is all about. Bringing to our customers, our most valued customers, the freshest available ingredients, including coffee beans.
Fresh Roast Systems has been a fabulous tool for Larry's Market. It enables us to roast all our blends to our customers' specifications. Training the employees on it has been very easy. Fresh Roast has assisted us in all the steps. It's really as easy as using a Versateller machine. Takes very little time. All of our associates are trained in all 5 stores and find the process very simple.
The customer that walks in the door already perceives whole bean coffee as the freshest coffee that they can buy. And the only way that they can buy it fresher is if it's roasted right on site. And that's the value of this system. The reality is a person should really not buy more coffee than they're going to drink today or tomorrow and buy quarter pound, half pound, 3/4 pounds at a time and treat it truly like a perishable product. You don't buy your bread, you don't buy your vegetables for a week at a time. You buy them periodically as you need them, and that's the way coffee should be purchased. I mean, it puts it right into their hands. It's still warm when they pick it up.
Our customers today are very sophisticated, and when it comes to embracing technology, I think when they take one look at the Fresh Roast system, they'll be able to equate the freshness of the beans, the output from the roasting, the quality when they get home, and I know they'll be back.
We are now able to record what a roast master does with much greater accuracy than has ever been done before. This removes the need for a specialty coffee roaster at each retail location because our system is networked back to a central computer which records everything that the roast master does, and as the beans are roasted in the field, the machine draws the lot-specific roasting recipe and replicates the roast master's results more accurately than he could replicate those on a conventional roasting machine.
I've always heard that all coffee roasting systems had to be vented and were very costly, let alone having the expertise to mine the roaster, so to speak. Fresh Roast system eliminates all those problems. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to put a piece of equipment in your store that's visually enhancing and totally innovative.
The capital investment typically required for an in-store roaster is a significant obstacle in most instances. Recognizing this, we have set up a program which basically enables the retailers to pay us on an upcharge based on the number of pounds that they roast. The differential between the cost of green coffee and the cost of freshly roasted coffee is significant enough to provide tremendous economic incentive to all of the participants.
The Fresh Roast system has provided us an inventory control system. We do not have to take care of any of the inventory. They provide the actual ordering of the product.
Coffee is typically shipped in 150-pound bags. We repackage our beans into 6-pound bags, which are individually bar-coded to identify the beans, and they're very easily handled. The machine basically reads the bar-coded label and selects the appropriate bin to enable the beans to be loaded and subsequently roasted to perfection.
It's a draw. It's a customer draw. Customer comes in, they smell the coffee, they come in, they may have a Danish, and then they may do shopping for the day.
It's convenient, it's right near work, and it tastes good.
We deliver the coffee, get their coffee roasted fresh on the spot every day.
Coffee's really good, actually. I've never had it before, but it's quite full flavored. I really like the flavor.
I just buy their coffee because it's the best.
Fresh Roast system means to me that the consumer is not going to be cheated on their coffee, that they're going to have absolutely the freshest coffee they can possibly buy.
And I like that, and the coffee's good, and the price is right, and it's close to home. So what could be better?
Coffee here is great. I have some other options that are closer to my office, but I come here because coffee does taste fresher.
We take pride in offering a quality product to the customer, and I think the customer sees that we are very proud to have Fresh Roast in our stores.
The Fresh Roast system enables you to secure the highest ground, provide your customers the freshest products and the greatest selection. It reduces your product costs and increases your margins. We become your partner in the coffee business. Our success is tied to your success, and we look forward to being there with you.